When we talk about the mindset and the skill set, it is going to help you in order to drive more success in your life. The mindset plus a skill set is going to become a huge amount of success in your life. But it is depend upon you that how you are going to utilize the mindset and the skill set. This is very important. Doesn't matter where you are, what profile, what you are doing, whether you are in academic, professionals, employment, entrepreneurship, coach, author, doctor, or any other. That is applicable for everyone. You imagine within yourself, you observe within yourself, then how your mindset is going to allow you to express more, and how a skill set is going to help you to develop those. And when these two combine, it become a huge amount of success. But it should be a time bound. For example, if you wanted to become a doctor, you must become a doctor. You must become a doctor. But it has to be decided by you, not your parents, not your relatives. It has to be decided by you. What is your area of interest? Whether you want to become a doctor, whether you have those capabilities, capacity to become a doctor, you have to check internally. It is not because of you are going to fulfill the expectations of your parents and you are selecting to become a doctor. Most of the families, most of the persons are indulged with this kind of situations, and at the end of the day there are a big problem. So you decide within yourself whether you wanted to become a doctor. When your mind is allowing to yourself that yes, I have to become a doctor, nobody can go and stop you to becoming a doctor. Once your mind is allowing to you to become a doctor, accountant, or any others, and basis of that you start to drive your skill by acquiring the knowledge, informations, and all those which is required to clear your particular goal. That is more important. You have to find out within yourself that where you are and how you are going to organize your mind and deliver those areas, informations. That is more important. You have to find out within yourself. The mindset is one of the fundamental which allow you to think more, and basis of that your skill is going to help you to achieve the success. And once you are the combining of these two, the mindset and the skill set, over the period of the time you would be in a very phenomenal growth. Nobody going to stop you. You would be in a phenomenal growth because your mind and your skill both are working together. This is applicable for every, whether you are entrepreneur, you wanted to bring more business, you have more skill but you do not have mind set that how you are going to organize your business and finding out those opportunities which are available in the market. It is up to you, my dear friend, that how you are going to organize your mindset and deliver those, finding out those connections, interactions with the audience, interactions with the investor, or many more, and finding out those opportunities in a very organized way. And then your skill is going to help you much more. Over the period of time, you will have a unprecedented growth that is not matchable. That is something beyond the level you are going to find out. That kind of impressions you are going to generate when you are combining the mindset and the skill set. That kind of growth you are going to determine within yourself. Everyone is getting a huge amount of success because of this particular two combinations. If I'm talking about everyone, it means a persons who are just combining these two. And if you have the skill set, do not have mindset, you are still not going to finding out those opportunity and getting more success. If you have the mindset and do not have the skill set, again the same situations. You have to find out within yourself that where you are, what kind of opportunity you are going to develop. Whether you have the skill set and mindset with that time bound, and when you have this, nobody is going to stop you. You will definitely get more success in your life, wherever you are. And my dear friend, there is no any age factor for this. Whether you are in 40, 45, 50, 55, doesn't matter. This is a learnable skill. When your mind is allowing at the age of 45, start to do that with all those dedications and more. You'll find out there are more success, there are more opportunities which are waiting for you. You have to decide within yourself. Find out and grow. The mindset and the skill set is equal to the huge amount of success, the massive success. And your life, this is very important. This is Sajjan Singh signing out. Until we meet again, thank you. Thank you very much.